Whenever life feels a bit batty and you find yourself out of balance, don't fear the wobble. Embrace it with compassion and a chuckle. And that's what we're doing today, creating these out of balance bats. We're going to begin with like a wide letter U for the head, and then I'm making the ears asymmetrical, meaning one is a little smaller than the other on purpose. So this is so much fun because it's meant to be off balance. We don't have to worry about being perfect. And I'm making one small eye and one large eye. So I did the small on the small ear side, the big on the big ear side, and a little crooked mouth with teeth. And it's two straight lines out for the wings. I made one a little longer than the other, and it's like you're making a W with curved lines. And so it's like down to a point, down to a second point, connect to the top. And then I've showed it, I would add color, but I'm making them quick. So our second one, again, we're beginning with a U, a wider U this time. This time I made the ears more even on purpose because I was going to do the out of balance a different way. So this time the body looks way too big for the wings. So I have little small eyes sticking way out to the sides of his head, and then a big long mouth with the fangs sticking down. So exaggerated the size of the middle part, and these little short wings that you know would not be able to hold him up. So I made them the same, but the out of balance is the body to the wings. And again, it's down to a point, and connect. And I just put a little V on the top for the little fingers there. On to our third one, again beginning with that wide U shape. And I really would like you to experiment with different things with this. This one, I did the ears the same, but I'm going to do the eyes mixed up. So I have large eyes out wide, and crazy out of balance, one looking down, one looking up. And you can see the long mouth fangs. And the wings, right, wouldn't have a very hard time flying with them doing opposite things. So one straight up with that W underneath, and one angled down with the W underneath. So again, it's really not quite a circle, it's more of a U, wide on the bottom. Again, I'm exaggerating a big ear and a smaller ear that's stuck out to the side. And I'm going to do a big eye that has an eyelid, and then the small eye closed. And I even carried this into, it has a little underbite with a little tooth on one side and a big tooth on the other side. And again, the wings are looking like very mixed up, where how would he be able to fly? So we've got one going up and one coming down. And putting the W underneath and connecting. And there I show like absolutely add color, and I added like purple on the eyelids. So this one's a little squared, and I pointed the ears kind of back and out. He's looking exhausted, connecting the top of the head. And we're going to do some cross eyes, looking down where he's exhausted. A little straight mouth with the tongue sticking out. And then I'm really exaggerating the down, so it doesn't even look like he's attempting to fly. He's just exhausted.